Hello everyone, my name is Jabel from ManilaBites.com and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I will cook my chicken caldereta with coconut milk. Some of ingredients that I have already here are tomato sauce, coconut milk, garlic, lemon, vinegar, soy sauce, oil, salt, and black pepper. The rest of ingredients we will go to grocery store to get it. So let's go! So guys, here we are. I'm home and I bought the rest of ingredients. I have carrot, onion, bell pepper, tomato, and almost 2 pounds of breast chicken. So let's go cook. So here we are guys with my husband. So he will taste the chicken caldereta that I made. Well, if you notice that I didn't put a liver spread because you don't like it.
A what?
You don't like liver spread.
Liver spread?
Yeah. Yeah, he don't like it.
Okay.
So I didn't put that.
Thank you for not putting the liver spread.
I didn't put, and I didn't I didn't put a potato. We're doing low carb. We're doing low carb. So I didn't
So
make
it's
any.
not going to be as
rice.
good as if it were high carb.
Yeah,
it's going to be
better,
delicious.
but it's still good. I guess still good.
Everything she makes is delicious.
So, here we are. More through it.
All right.
You-
I'm gonna use a spoon, and I'm gonna hold it right here so you guys can see. So you guys can see. All right.
Look at him.
Oh.
He just then
All right.
because
So I got a little bit of I got a little bell pepper on here, some green or is
yeah.
it yellow bell pepper. It smells good. Man, I hope this is good. All right.
That's good. It's not too salty.
No. The pepper perfectly cooked. It's just crisp enough, you know, you still get that freshness, but soft enough to feel good in the mouth. Hang on, let me try a piece of chicken. Poulet.
Well, I didn't tell you his name. His name is Ray Jones.
That's me. Okay, so yeah. How do you say poulet or chicken in Tagalog?
Manok.
Manok?
Yeah.
Alright. I won't remember that, but
Good. So, like
what's in the sauce?
oh, it's coconut milk, tomato sauce,
Really?
and you know, I
I
put,
don't usually like coconut milk.
yeah, I know. I mean, he didn't usually
This
eat
is really
with
good.
coconut milk, so
Really good with some rice.
yeah.
Not today, not this week,
Hard.
not this month. I'm trying a carrot with a little bit of carbs, but
This is our 4 times of trying keto diet again.
I think so.
Yeah. It's hard
The
because
fifth time is a charm.
because I mean, if we're doing keto diet and once we cheat, then it's hard to get back to the keto diet. So this is
I'm just gonna sit on my knee and eat this whole bowl.
So I'm taller, right?
This is
taller.
fantastic.
I'm taller than him.
Not much though.
I mean, oh yeah. So,
She likes to rub my head for good luck.
well, guys, thank you for watching my vlog, and thank you. Have a good day.
You should try this.
And don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you, guys.